Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into AI, a powerful tool that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline your video script writing process. So here's the interface of the AI. As you can see, it's very easy to use and very simple. AI is designed to help creators, marketers, and businesses generate engaging video scripts quickly and efficiently. Whether you are making educational content, promotional videos, or tutorials, this tool has got you covered. Let's explore some key features. Script generation. Simply input your topic and AI will generate a structured script outline, saving you hours of brainstorming. Customization. You can tailor the tone, style, and length to fit your specific needs, perfect for different audience. SEO optimization. The tool also offers SEO suggestions to help your video reach a wider audience. So the question here arises is how to use AI. As you can see, here's the interface after we sign in the AI tool. So after that, you can see here are so many features available, including such as advertising, journal writing, video, e-commerce, social media, blog, emails, and many more. Let's just dive into the advertising part. So after clicking on advertising, here's the interface, which is too simple to use. First, you get all these options. Whether you want to customize Google ads, Facebook ads, or social media ads, everything can be done here with few easy steps. So first, as you can see on the left side, you just have to put your product name and click on the next option. After that, this tool asks for your unique selling point, where you can describe your product and highlights its unique selling point. Next option here comes is to fill up the keywords that totally describe your product. After then, it asks you your target audience, such as creators, professionals, or college-going students. You can fill any type of audience that you are targeting for. After then, all you have to do is to click the generate option, and on the right side you can see that it immediately starts analyzing your context and generating the content. And in this way, it helps you in your daily work profile and also saves a lot of time that you can use to do other work. So if you want to know more about this tool and detailed explanation like how you can use prompts, all you have to do is to enroll in the link given in description and start your digital journey with Botpanels. Second option here comes is general writing, on which you can just customize, translate, or summarize your context. All you have to do is just to paste your context here, and after that click on the option that you have to do. Moving towards the third option, which is video. So after clicking on video, we get this type of interface where you can see you can generate video title, video ideas, and even script. To know more about these features in detail, enroll now. Moving on to the fourth feature, which is e-commerce. So after clicking on e-commerce, we have these two options available here, which is product description and product title. These two are main features that we need to promote our product or to post our product on the e-commerce website like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Moving on to the next feature, which is social media. Here you can customize any type of description, captions such as Facebook post, Instagram post, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. This will save you a lot of time. After that, we have blog writing. This tool saves you a lot of time by deciding your blog outline, title, and description. Here you can customize your blog outlines, and after that it will be easy for you to generate any type of blogs. It also generates FAQs for your blogs, so you don't have to worry about them. After that, we have email writing, which offers you options like subject line, journal email, professional email, and even the email reply, making your task and work very easy to handle. Whether you are a student or a working professional, this tool will take your work to a different level. So what are you waiting for? If you want to learn more about this tool and more other AI detection and how to bypass them, Just click on the link in the description and enroll now. Start your digital journey with Botpanels.com. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. Thank you.